Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO T1 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then in the general settings let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, because basically here we will have the developer options. If you do have just wait a second, because I would like to explain how to turn them on, because as you can see I do not have mine active. So let's in the about phone we have to enter the software information and keep tapping on the build number until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Let's go back to the system, tap on developer options, and here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this automatic system updates. We can turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on the device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember manually updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs